I'm getting ready to take the mulch kit off of my mower deck. All you need is a 14mm and your trusty DeWalt. Is it supposed to sound like that? I need a parts bin. Parts bin. Here comes first one out. One baffle done. Baffle two. That one was stubborn. And that's it. All those nuts that I just took off, I have to replace them with the ones that came with the mower, just to plug the holes out. Here's these that came with it. I'm gonna use a 14 for these bolts. These are threaded, so you actually don't even need these nuts. And I honestly can't remember because I did this last year. Do you put the bolts in through the bottom or through the top? Here's some on here that are through the bottom, and then over there's some through the top. Well, I put them up through the bottom because that's just how I did it. So hopefully it's not gonna cause any problems. I'm gonna get this bad boy cleaned and scrubbed the rest of the way to be really nice and clean so I can put that stable ceramic guard on here. That's it, easy peasy, bye.